think of you. Finding it hard, trying to make it through. Can't imagine life without you. I still remember our first kiss, beat that my has skipped. I still remember our first touch, moment I lost myself in your clutch. Don't wanna hear words goodbye, don't wanna close my eyes and cry. Don't want my world to catch fire. All I could ask for is you by my side all the time. I worry every night, I pray. I don't wanna have to struggle every single day. Why don't you just listen to what I gotta say?
Love is a word you can define. Don't say sorry and goodbye. Don't say that your love for me had died. Don't say please goodbye.
I still remember our first night. Look in your eyes when you turned off the light. I could feel this out without sight. Wondering if our tomorrow's gonna be bright. It's not up to me now to decide whether to leave it or to fight for the honor angel saved my life, the one who I dreamed about as my wife. Still remember the day I lost my religion. Just listen to my intuition, even though I didn't know full definition. I only thought it was right decision. So please don't say this is the last moment. I'll be blessed with your past, taking everything I had so fast, turning all the memories into dust.